Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So today guys, basically the video I'll be doing for you is just to show you guys how I'm able to just open some of my money making apps basically in the early morning and collect earning just by doing one click. So yes guys, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go over all the apps to show you guys how I do it, and then I'm gonna take out some earnings just to show you guys that also. So okay, let's get into the video guys. So before I get into the video guys, I just want to say this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you things and tips that I personally use, and I hope you guys find value in it. Okay guys, so the first app that I have here is CyberRadio. So basically when you come on CyberRadio, they will have a they will just prompt you that you have a spin. So as you can see, this button, this dollar sign that is blinking, I'm just gonna click it right there, and once I click it, you're gonna realize that you're able to have a spin. So I have a lucky spin right now. So this is basically every day, every 24 hours, you can come inside here and just do the spin. And as you can see guys, I won 50 lucky minutes just for doing that. So yes guys, so basically that's what I do. So what I do guys, I'll just leave the links to all these apps that I'm about to do for you guys in the description down below, so it'll be super easy for you to just click the link and make your very own account. The next app is called Playfi. So basically every 24 hours you're able to come inside Playfi and just click a button, so you're able to start earning. And basically what it does is just mine randomly guys. So you're able, as you can see, I have 1,626 balance right there. So the next app that I want to share with you guys, that basically I'm just able to go inside, click a button, and basically earn, is called a Givvy giveaway. So on the Givvy giveaway platform guys, they have a gift box. Basically you're able to watch random ads and you're able to um win coins. Also what they have is a daily giveaway. So as you guys can see, they're in a pattern. So every day you have day 1, 2, 3 up to day 10. So once it's finished, they're gonna restart again. So basically every day what I do, I just come into this app and basically click. So what I'm just gonna click it to earn. And guys, this is just basically me coming inside the app and clicking and earning. So as you can see, congratulations, I have that 3,000 points. So yes guys, so the next app that I want to show you is also in Givvy active income. So basically I'm just gonna press Givvy, and this is an app that you basically, so once we're on the Givvy platform, guys, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go into the second tab at the bottom of the screen. So at the bottom of the screen, they have a second tab right there. So we're gonna click that, and as you can see, you have a collect um basket at the bottom with some coin like a treasure box. So you're gonna click that. Also you're gonna earn those points as well. Also they have a daily giveaway also, daily earning. So as you can see, I have been earning from the 25. Basically today is the 28th of December. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna click the one for the 28th and receive those coins. That's 8 coins right there. So as you can see, guys, this is basically how I earn and give you, and this is a everyday thing guys. So just to keep that into consideration, every 24 hours. So yes guys, so the next app that I want to go over, you're able to just click and do and collect some earnings every day, basically, is called Coin. So I'm just gonna click Coin, and once I go on my Coin platform guys, you're gonna see that you're able to do more than one earnings. As you can see on Givvy, there were 2 earnings there. So on Coin, you're able to click the auto explore button, and once that load, you'll see that you have some coins just for doing that right there. Awesome. Also they have a collect ready to collect button. As you can see, I'll be earning some coins right there also. So yes guys, so I just want to check here, and you can see that I'll be getting 0.51 coins just for today reward. So yes guys, so that's basically all you do guys, and this is basically every 24 hours. As I said before, you just go inside the app and click these buttons. So yes guys, so the next app that I want to share with you, basically you're just enter into the app and click a button. So the first app is called Lootgain. So once I go in this app, Lootgain, you basically gonna scroll down where they have daily check-in. So it's gonna click that button right there, and also click daily bonus. And as you guys can see, collect your daily earnings. I have earned that $10, 10 coins rather, right there. So as you can see, total earned today 10 coins. So yes guys, that's basically all it's done. So just want to keep that into consideration. So yes guys, so the next app that I want to share that you're able to just go in and click, it's called Freecash. So Freecash pay the highest daily. Click a button, daily reward, click a button. So yes guys, and basically it's 70 5 coins. That's a lot guys, just for a day. So every 24 hours you're able to come inside Freecash and go ahead and claim that 20. As you can see at the bottom here, it says claim 25, and that's 25 coin guys. So I just gonna click that. Awesome. So that's how I earn on Freecash, basically daily. So there's a way, or you can earn every 24 hour and loot up. I'm just gonna see if there there have that there for me. If not, maybe I just have to wait. So as you can see, I have 2 hours to go before I get that um that click the button and earn that spin. So yes guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go into the other apps that I have. That's basically you can go. So these apps now guys, basically all you earn is by clicking a button every hour. These are hourly paying apps, guys, hourly earning apps guys. So yeah, the first one is Cointiply. So you want to go into Cointiply guys, and you want to press facets. Once you press facets, you want to press roll and win, and you're just gonna do what they say here. So basically they say enter the following, and they give you that. So you're gonna enter the following very quickly here, so they're able to give you your earnings. So yes guys, this is how easy it is guys, and basically you're doing this guys every day. As you can see, I win 24 coins just for doing that. So yes guys, the next app that I want to share with you that you're able to just click a button every um hour and earn is called Bitcoin Cash Giveaway. So I've done a video on my channel about this, so if you're interested in this app, it's basically you clicking a button every hour, and you're able to earn Bitcoin uh um earnings, so in tashoshes. So yes guys, this basically go to your account automatically. So yes guys, and as you can see, I have spin right there. I did it, and I'm just gonna choose the biggest number. So yes guys, so that's basically it, and I do this like every hour. So yes guys, that's all I earn. Also, I want to go into Litecoin giveaway. It's exact same thing as Bitcoin giveaway. You're gonna just click, as you can see at the bottom, they give you two spins. So you just wanna click the spin price, and if you're okay with, because now it's basically for 805 tashoshis, if you're okay with earning that for the hour, you can go ahead, and if you're not, you can go ahead and spin price again, because they give you two every hour. So yes guys, and as you can see, I spin again, and they decided to give me a bigger number to 1,255 tashoshis. So I'm just gonna click the biggest number to maximize my earning. So that's basically all it is, guys. So yeah. So next app that you're able to earn basically every 24 hours by just clicking a button is called um Zap Survey. So yes, guys. So once you're on the Zap Survey platform here, you're able to complete surveys. Once you're completing a certain amount of you're earning amount a certain amount of um earnings on the platform, they gave you a daily cash out. So as you can see here, today is the 5th day, and they're giving me 3 cents. So I'm just gonna claim it right here, and as you can see, the 6th day I'll be getting 3 cents, the 7th day. So every week you're able to earn a certain amount of earnings, and once you earn a certain amount of earnings, they will be giving you a free daily um claim. So just to keep that into consideration, guys. So yeah, so the next app that basically you can earn, I use to earn just by clicking a button a day. It's called rewards. So in rewards, guys, they basically give you 3x a day to earn. So it's basically you're just verifying your the address where you're at. So if you go to 3 different location per day where there's internet, you can go ahead and just check in those locations. Basically all I've earned basically every day by just clicking a button, guys. There are other ways that I earn just by clicking a button, but those earning are not guaranteed. So yes, guys, so I don't bother sharing those apps. So what I'm gonna do now for you guys, I'm just gonna cash out some earnings that I have. So I have some earnings in um my idol TV account. So I'm just gonna log in. You can see here I am in my idol TV account, and I have some earnings here. I have 1,081 coins point one. So I'm gonna put those earning in a money making app. So yes, guys, and as you can see, I have 4 money making apps here, and I am gonna put my earnings in Cointiply. And the reason why I put my earnings in Cointiply, because Cointiply I'm able to take out cryptocurrency, and I'm kinda in that space where I kinda want to accumulate some more bitcoins. So that's why I'm putting my earnings in Cointiply. So yes, guys, I'm just gonna click redeem right there, continue. So yes, guys, so what happened to, guys, I also have some earnings in my Loot TV account. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna log in and actually take those earnings out into a money making app for you guys. Loot TV account. um Basically, guys, what you can earn coins here by just logging in and watching. If you watch for an hour, you get 5 points. If you watch for 2 hours, you get 10. If you watch for 3 hours, you get 15 coins randomly, guys. So you're earning your coins for being on the platform, plus you're earning extra just for the time you're spending on the platform. So yes, guys, as you can see, I've already earned 10 points just randomly for being on the platform for 2 hours, and I'm closest to that 3 hour mark where I'm not gonna get that 15 coins. So yes, guys, and this is so basically, guys, you're earning five, five. So it's not like you're earning 5 coin, then 10 coins, then 15 coins, then 20. It's 555. So at the end of the day, you're just earning 20 coins. Just to keep that into consideration. So yes, guys. So now we're gonna go to the redeem section, and as you guys can see, I have a lot of money making apps here that I basically collect my earnings in. So yes guys, but the app that I'm gonna put my earnings in today, it might be a little bit shocking to you, but yeah, it's actually Tippy. uh so yes guys, our tip. So I'm just gonna click redeem, and I'm just gonna click tip. So guys, so basically the reason why I'm taking this out in Tippy is because Tippy allows you to come redeem Amazon gift card, and I'm looking in getting some Amazon accumulated some Amazon gift card. In my last video, you guys can see that I have been taking out some Amazon gift card, because I'm taking out Amazon gift card, so I'm able to purchase another phone. So yes guys, I actually want to purchase a phone where I could put some of my money making apps on. So just to be safe, because just so I can um put the apps in a safe, I feel like my apps on this phone is not safe, because I cannot protect them because of the way I earn. The way I earn is um there's no way I can protect the my phone, because if I protect it in certain way, they're not gonna able to track my earnings. So yes guys, so I want a different phone, so I can able to put my investment and apps and that. So yes guys, so I'm gonna take, so that's why I've been taking Amazon gift card, so I'm able to purchase a phone on Amazon. So yes guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click redeem here, and the earnings is gonna go to my TP account. So as you can see guys, basically that's done. So yes guys, so guys, what I want to say before I go is, going into the new year guys, I will be sharing with you guys basically how I'm able to maximize my earning with these money making apps, and how I've been earning, share with you guys how I've been investing my money and stuff like that. Also, so on on January the 10th, I will be able to start posting on my community page. So I'll be interacting with you guys on that page. I'll be doing video suggestion and stuff for you guys. I'll be just interacting with you, get to know you guys a little bit better, or what kind of know what kind of apps you guys are looking for, what apps you are interested in, and stuff like that. So you're able to communicate with each other, so we're able to help each other grow for this coming year, God's willing. So guys, this is everything that I have want to share with you today. So before I end the video guys, I just want to say, if you are with me from the beginning of this channel, I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for watching my video, for liking, sharing, also for commenting. So yes guys, if there's any question guys or anything, you can leave them in the description down below, so I'll be able to answer them for you. So yes guys, and also I just want to say guys, never forget, always remember guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.